Hearts, yeah. I see diamonds all over me and it's bright, yeah. Competition around the corner, I'm too hot, yeah. Thinking who is into me, thinking who is into me,
Yes, sir. Your boy's back. I miss driving, bro. But first, gotta get some money. Gotta get this big car washed, cleaned. And then, yeah. Punta ko ulit si Lenim. Tapos, yeah, I think it's going to be a calm little vlog. But let's see. I think I'm a hope later din pala sa may condo, no? Kasi namimiss ko na mag-shooting. Kasi in-Indian ako kanina ni Charles. Shout out Charles. Yung Indian scammer. Pag Indian talaga. Kaya pala Indian. Wait, yung ba yung sabihin nun? Kaya ba in-Indian? Kasi na-scam. Yeah, I think that's what it is. Bro, I just realized that. What the? But yeah, gotta get some money first, you know what I'm saying? Cause we gotta get to the money every single day, you know what I mean? Shisha balls. Sheesh. Abang product pwede dito? Kasi lagi nag-watermark eh. Pero yung friend ko, ginamitan niya lang ng all-purpose cream. I mean all-purpose na spray. And may nakita ako nun sa may Shopwise last time eh. Pero hindi ko sure kung pwede ba sa last video pala, hindi ko talaga trip yung masyadong sabog yung mic. Kasi naka-connect siya, I mean naka-place siya dun sa plaka eh. Last video. I don't know, mas maganda talaga yung tunog pag nasa cockpit kaya pag nasa loob pa ng kotse. So I think I'm gonna try to put the mic sa likod ng window open. So let's see how that goes. Now we're gonna get this big car wash, clean, scrub. Kalimutan ko pala ilagay yung tape sa likod. Cause we need some cover for this, bro. Yo, let me know in the comments if pumapasok ba talaga yung tubig dito. Cause I don't know, bro. I don't think walang lusutan yan. May lusutan ba yan? Oh, probably here though. Yeah. But I'ma still put it anyway. Jayum. Jayum. Yeah, it should be good. There you go. I think pupunasan ko na lang yung watermark sa may mirror after, para lang di siya mag-stain. But let's go. After na itong car wash, suduin ko na si Baby Cakes. Tapos wala kami movie, tapos kain, tapos hoop sesh later. First time ko mag-basketball dun sa may condo. Kasi nung andun ako last time, nag-vlog na ako before nung nasa condo ako, nung wala pang FD. Tapos, yeah, shout out to those OG subscribers. I think mga 100 plus. That's crazy. But speaking of subscribers, go ahead subscribe. Please, I'm near 1K. Hinalang ko lang ako sa monetization. I already got the watch hours. I already got the views. Actually, watch hours na naman need. But yeah, appreciate you. But let's head there. Wala, it's kinda hot. No. But no. Ain't no way, twin. Ain't no way, twin. But no, sir. Right. Yeah. Time to get clean, my boy. Effing demon gets a treatment. Sheesh.
You got me losing control. I get no man's score. But I'm crazy apart. Profit too crazy we go. Ride him up in like horse. But we'll be out for too long.
Time to go, my boys. Where them keys at? Where my keys at? Damn. Time to go and don't copyright me, bro. Time to head to what do you call this? Sukat Parañaque. Let's go. Shit. Damn. Why is it quiet, bro? Oh, sheesh. Look at this butte, my guy. What if ipa-dual exhaust ko kaya ito, no? Kahit di bagay. Although, I mean, di bagay in a sense na 4 cylinders lang siya. Oo, sabi kasi sa akin, minimum dapat V6 eh. Para reasonable yung dual exhaust. Pero honestly, actually gusto ko nga una. Nung una pa lang, gusto ko sana dalawa. Pero iba daw kasi ito nung pag dalawa eh, compared sa isa. So I don't know, man. We'll find out. Siguro pag natanggal na yung fully yung bumper. Tapos bibili ako ng bagong HC Racing plastic na dalawa yung tip. I mean, dalawa yung exit. I think I'ma do that. Magdudual exit exhaust na lang ako pag ganun yung case. Pero so far, okay pa naman yung chin. Yeah, cool. Tama ba to? Ah, tama. We near. 1 minute. Let's go. Best na pala biyahe. Eh, miss this place, ang gula. Naalala ko yung gusto kong kotse pa before is yung Type R na FK8. I think di ko nadadaanan yun. Kasi next ko 86. Tas GTR. Tas Ferrari 458. Tas Chiron. Damn. First legal Bugatti. Pero ang daming mayaman actually sa Pinas, no? Like kaya nilang bumili ng Bugatti talaga. I mean, they're just not car guy enough. Yes. Saan may parking space, bro? Give me space, bro. Sheesh. Baby. Let's record. Record some. Baby. E45.
Into that family. Now they're dead. What you will be familiar. They.
That was probably the corniest, the lamest movie I've ever seen. Yeah, don't watch this movie, guys. Let's eat. Check. Chigarong. Yo. What a shot. Sheesh. Ganda ng sun. Hey. Yung dripped out. Time to hoop, boys. But look where I parked. Yeah, ba't dun yung court? Sheesh. Masok ba yung kanina? Alright, we're done. We're out. Kaya lang muna kami sa may ATC. Since malapit lang naman. Pero sana di nasayang yung mic. Yung pagbili ko ng 16K na mic. Yeah. Sana mas okay yung yung sound kanina. Kasi yun, dito siya sa loob eh. Like parang dito banda. So hindi siya totally nasa labas. Oh, so close.
Welcome to the Alabama Town Center.
Ito yung laging may guaranteed parking. Kaya mo na. Kapag to nasayang yung mic ko, GG. Dahil pala if sayang yung mic ko, sana pinang carbon hood ko na. Ay, carbon hood. I mean, pinang Mugen RR hood ko na lang pala sana. Okay ba ang ABS plastic as hood? Di ba siya kasi syempre engine bay. Di ba siya natutunaw? Kasi plastic, ABS plastic, if I'm not mistaken. Let me know in the comments below. WFD. Tabihan ba natin? Sheesh. Anong kit kaya yan? Modulo ba? Kasi yun yung nasa Mags eh. Damn. Nakasilant ba si boss? Oo, nakasilant. Yeah, kailangan ko i-sealant yung sa akin. Feel ko kasi sa sealant babakas eh. Kasi diba may siya parang black or gray. For Fibo Designer, I suggest you buy it now. Because one day the price is gonna I changed my fit so you can see. But we got them. Ooh, what is that? Mercedes. Back to back FD, literally. Wait, 2.0 ba yan? Sabi pag dalawa yung tambutso 2.0. Pero yung side mirror niya, I mean, walang ganito. Confirm nyo sa comments. Kasi ito lang talaga alam kong palatandaan ng 2.0. I mean, if besides sa Mags, siguro. Kasi tinanggal ko yung badges eh. 1.8, I see. But mine, I removed all that, as you can see. Because you can't see any of them badges. Yo, clean look. Clean. Except the fitment. Ilang spacer kaya? Paano ba mag-measure para isang bilihan lang? Like, ilalatag mo lang talaga yung spacer. Tapos pagpantay na siya sa paningin mo, yun na yun. Yeah, I don't know. First time ko lang din naman if ever. Kaya muna kami. Just gonna eat. Tapos kailangan ko rin uminom kasi galing ang laro. Pero wala akong tubig. Lego. Siyempre yung favorite shot pag nagpapak. Yeah. Let's go B. Marugame. Dun ulit. Maru game. Yes, finally. So we got them chicken chunks. What's that? Lasagna. I miss this, bro. Pinakinggan ko kanina pala yung mic. Masyadong windy. So I think I have an idea. And that is to put the mic sa back seat habang naka windows down. So let's see. At pala bibili ako stand kanina. Kasi bago ako dumaan sa inyo, dapat punta ako Festi. Pero for the camera. But next video na lang, I guess. Look it. Sheesh. Wait, ba't tumutunog? Tumutunog yung phone ko. Jayumson. Thumbnail nga ako dito, B. Para may option. Yeah! Po, sisira yan. Fake spoiler yan eh. I think MTR wing yung mas matibay. Ito kasi plastic. Umano nga ito eh, di ba? Pag sinasara mo, nagbabaw yung... Gusto niya pala mangyari, uupo siya dito. Pwede naman, sigawin mo lamesa yung ano. Try mo, Abi. Oh, jump. Yeah, I think you can. Kala ko dito ka uupo eh. Hondizi. Di daw matanggal yung ano eh. Alam ko nga pwede tanggalin ito na nagpatent ako. Mga lines. Kasi di naman kailangan to sa Philippines. Sabi sa akin. Pero di naman. I mean, di nila kaya. So yeah, let's do a warm start, I guess. Warmy. Anong product pwede dito? Ang pangit. Lagi may water stain. Kita may water stain? Ayun o, lagi yung tinutuluan eh. May tulo. Di naglalas yung tar shine dun sa pinaka-car wash ko kanina. Pero yung sinasabi ko, Mike, siguro mamagnet ko naman dito. Or masyadong windy. Dito ko nilagay yun eh. Or dito, I mean, ito. Too windy. Dito naisip ko eh. Mas malapit sa exhaust. Ewan ko, windy pa rin yun ah. GG Mike, sayang ang pera. Camera audio doesn't do it justice. Boys, we're ready to go. Skip!
Who's gonna drive?
Walang driver. Ikaw kaya mag-steering, no? Tapos ako sa pedals. W vlog. Put that in the comments right now, right here, right now, right here, right now.
Hindi ayoko dito. Gusto ko sa trunk.
Gusto mo sa trunk? Okay. I'm at 1%, so it's gonna die soon. But let me know if that works better. I don't know. Papakinggan ko pa sa post-edit. But yeah, appreciate y'all for tuning in. Go ahead, subscribe, leave a like, and see you on the next video.
Oh, I got what you need and I keep telling baby get with there outside. You know what it is, I forgot what it is, but the end of it is Malaki na tingin sa baba dumi, bakit di mo masabihin alright? Meet me outside the club, 1,000 fuck shit up.